Oftentimes what we also hear is, maintenance and reliability often goes unnoticed. And one of the big things for us and what we want to do in this industry is really surface the unsung heroes, this idea where, if nothing happens, if there are no breakdowns in a facility, that's actually a great thing. That's an amazing thing.
Yeah.
Um, can you share a story about how your team, your reliability team, has made an impact at Rehrig?
Sure, absolutely. We've taken on several improvement projects over the years. Most specifically, just working with our general 5S and cleanliness of our plant. The maintenance and the engineering team here over the last 2 years have taken on a ton of extra work outside of their normal everyday job tasks or job assignments to just make this place look as good as it can. So that way, when we have customers walk through this place, when we have people from the community come through, it looks like a showcase. It looks like somewhere where you would want your kids to work. It looks like somewhere that you would want to buy products from. So the maintenance guys have gone above and beyond, fixing those nuisance leaks that really aren't going to cause you any issues right now, right this second, but makes a big difference in the appearance of the plant. Over the past 2 years, like I said, the maintenance and engineering teams have gone above and beyond the call on multiple occasions to get this place just looking tremendous.
That's awesome. And I really love to hear that story because, when I think about, working in a factory floor, when I think about, manufacturing trash bins, it's like that's the complete polar opposite than a lot of people's perception of the space in this field.